How to clean suede sofa. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. You can place a microfiber or suede sofa to make your rooms more beautiful, but you will need to keep them clean. If you are the proud owner of a suede sofa, you must know how to clean your sofa. Although microfiber suede is a comfy sofa, specific material is used to make it. So, you may want to clean your sofa the right way, or you might end up damaging it. The good news is that you can hire a professional cleaner, like FastKlean, to have your sofa cleaned regularly. You may need to put in some serious effort when getting your suede sofa cleaned, and the primary reason is that the material is delicate enough to be easily damaged. However, if you invest a bit of time and pay attention to detail, you may enjoy fantastic results. This video will help you clean your sofa and make your sofa look brand new. Here is how you can clean a suede sofa. Since every sofa is slightly different, you may need to use a specific cleaning method. If you don't pay attention, you may end up with a damaged sofa. So, if you want to keep on the safe side, you may follow the steps given in this video. By doing so, you can keep your sofa in pristine condition for years to come. Time required: 60 minutes. Decide on the best cleaning method first. Since your suede sofa is unique, it requires the correct type of cleaning care. Basically, suede comprises millions of tightly packed microfibers, and they don't absorb water at all. But some of these materials may act differently. So, you should find out if you can use water to clean your sofa. You may need to use a specific product or formula to wash it in some cases. You may find this information in the tags. These tags consist of a coding system that you can understand without a problem. Given below is a description of these codes. W. The W label allows you the freedom to go for a water-based solution without worrying about damage. S. The S label tells you that you can't use water to wash your sofa. Instead, you need to look for a specific solvent with the cleaning code. SW, as the codes suggest, you are free to choose any of the methods to wash your sofa. X, according to this label, you can't use any liquid. Some good alternatives include dry rags and vacuum cleaners. In other words, you can use a vacuum cleaner to remove stains. If you cannot find the tags, you should be on the safe side and assume that your sofa comes with an S label. We suggest that you test a cleaning product on a small, hidden section of your suede sofa to be safe. Prepare your solution. Don't forget to follow the instructions on the product label before you apply it. If you want to make a DIY cleaning solution, you should use a spray bottle for easy application. A simple solution may consist of dish soap and lukewarm water. Another method is to make a mixture of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure that the solution is compatible with the label on your sofa. Although you can choose from many cleaning solutions, the combo of baking soda, dish soap and white vinegar is still the best choice. It will make an excellent DIY cleaner for most carpets as well. If your sofa is labeled X, you can ignore this step and go for a vacuum cleaner or a suede brush. Your best bet is to choose upholstery cleaning for this type of sofa. In addition, you can get an upholstery attachment for gentle cleaning. Use the solution. After preparing the solution, spray it on the blemishes or stains. Make sure you don't end up soaking the cushions. Instead, you should dampen them slightly. Afterwards, you can use a paper towel or sponge to rub in a circular motion to remove loose dirt. After the sofa is dry, Use a suede brush to restore the original look of the couch. Cleaning tips. In most cases, you may remove the stains easily without cleaning the entire suede sofa. If you can still find some stains, you may follow the additional steps below. Blot wet stains immediately. If you take immediate action, your suede sofa will repel spills. You may use a spot treatment based on your personal preferences, but it may not be needed if you remove the stain immediately. In fact, this is one of the essential cleaning tips that can make a huge difference. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Want more tips? Check out this previous video on 5 natural, easy solutions for hardwood floor cleaning. Let us know which of these tips you are trying next. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 02088849 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.